Getting in some breaking news on the Sunanda Pushkar death case, a court in Delhi has now reserved the orders for the 18th of August. Let me go across to Ananya joining us live from the national capital. Ananya, we were expecting the order today, but the court has reserved the orders for the 18th. Tell us what happened inside. In fact, the court also asked if there were any additional submissions. What were the arguments on both sides?
Well, yes, Niranjan, the court had already reserved its order in April on the point of framing of charges against Mr. Tharoor. The prosecution pushed for a 306, that is abetment to suicide, along with the 498A of the IPC. However, later on, the prosecution had pushed in for a 302. However, no formal application was put in for the same, but orally it was submitted that a 302 charge, that is murder, shall also be invoked against Mr. Tharoor in the Sunanda Pushkar death case. Now, today, what has happened is that written submissions were given up by the prosecution. Certain judgments were cited in support of their arguments, and in fact, the defense also replied to the same, following which the court had today queries from both the sides that as to what these judgments say and how they want to rely upon it. But now the court has reserved its order, and it would be very interesting to see on August 18 as to what would the court decide, whether Mr. Tharoor would be discharged from the case or there would be a charge framing against him, that the court would then frame charges and the trial would continue if charges are framed against Mr. Tharoor. Back to you, Niranjan.